How to delete Instagram account permanently. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete Instagram account permanently. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, what you need to do is that you just need to click on the profile icon on the bottom right corner, and then this type of interface will be pop up. Now here on the top right corner there is in 3 days. Simply click on this 3 days, and then here new interface will be available. Now click on account center, scroll down and go to manage account. In the bottom you can see, just click on it, and here you have to select the account which you want to delete permanently. Simply you can see here manage account, this one, just click on it. Here you can see deactivation or deletion option, temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your Instagram account. So simply you need to click here, and then here you can see the first option is deactivate and the second is delete. So click on the delete option, click on continue. Now here just click on continue again. You can just select any of the following. I will just go for the first one. Click on continue. Here you can see yes, deactivate your account, no continue with deletion. So click on no continue, click on no continue with deletion, and here they will be asking for your password. Click on continue. So after entering the password, your account will be deactivated.